Hi there, welcome to KA Designs. Today we'll be going over attachment for a Teoxane RHA compatible control ring. This control ring is compatible with all syringes in the RHA collection. You'll want to start by grabbing your control ring and making sure the angle of the control ring is facing upwards. Then align this with the thumb depressor. You can simply just put it on there and start it. Then slide it onto the center of the thumb depressor, making sure it's in alignment with the piston of the syringe. Once you're in place, the control ring is fully secure and can withstand up to 10 pounds of pulling force, which far exceeds anything you'll experience in practice.